Hey guys, welcome back to A4 Automotive. Today we are checking out the new Swift CNG variant. The 4th gen Swift was launched in May this year in petrol variant, and this we have here is the ZXi CNG model. The Swift has been a popular hatchback for years, known for its fun driving dynamics and practicality. And this CNG variant aims to deliver impressive performance without compromising the economy. So let's dive into it. Starting with the exterior, the new Swift keeps the sporty and stylish design that has made it a favorite. The bold front grille and sleek headlamps with LED DRLs give it an aggressive look. The side profile remains clean and sporty, and these 15-inch alloy wheels give it a really nice stance on the road. At the back, you will find the familiar Swift tail lamps with LED elements, which add a touch of sophistication. The clean boot lid and subtle CNG badging maintain the sporty character. However, the CNG fuel lid is still placed on the outside, which does look a bit unusual. The Swift CNG comes in several vibrant colors, including Pearl Arctic White, Luster Blue, Sizzling Red, Novel Orange, Magma Grey, and Splendid Silver, making it visually appealing to a variety of buyers. Now moving inside, the Swift's cabin is as practical and driver-focused as ever. You get a flat-bottom steering wheel, a sporty instrument cluster, and the SmartPlay touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The seats are comfortable with decent support for longer drives. While the rear seats offer good legroom and headroom, this CNG variant does lose some boot space due to the CNG tank. However, the 60-40 split rear seats allow some flexibility to manage luggage. Also, it's worth noting that instead of a spare tire, it comes with a tire repair kit for emergencies. Safety is a key focus, and the Swift comes with 6 airbags as standard, providing peace of mind for you and your passengers. Now let's take a look at what powers the Swift CNG. It features the new Z Series 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine, which produces 69.75 PS in CNG mode. While the power output is slightly lower than the petrol variant, which is 81.5 PS, it should be more than adequate for most users. A major highlight of the Swift CNG is its impressive fuel efficiency. While the petrol variant's claimed mileage is 24.8 km per liter, Maruti claims a mileage of 32.85 km per kg of CNG, making it incredibly cost-effective for daily commuting. Here is a quick look at the Swift's price chart to give you an idea of costs across different variants. In summary, the new Swift CNG offers a stylish and practical option for those looking for a hatchback that combines performance with excellent fuel efficiency. Its modern features, safety upgrades, and economic running costs make it a compelling choice in its segment. So that's a quick walk around of the new Swift CNG. It's a great option for those looking for a fun yet practical hatchback with the added bonus of CNG's fuel efficiency. What are your thoughts on the new Swift CNG? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more automotive content, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and take care.